episode of Unboxing here on Jedi Way. This, I do know what it is. That is if they delivered what they're supposed to, because this one was a little birthday present to myself. So, I'm quite excited about this, because as some of you know, I've been preparing my little Star Wars room downstairs in the basement. And I got 4 bucket holders. Only problem was, I only had 3. And we can't have a void. Nature abhors a void. So, 332nd Black Series helmet. Let's see what it takes to get into this thing. Good Lord, they used enough tape. Ba-dum. I'm excited because I'm also a Ahsoka fan, and the series is starting just a couple days after my birthday, so kind of combined birthday present preparation for Ahsoka. And good Lord, they put enough wrapping in the bag, and voila, we have my birthday present unwrapped, unboxed, and ready to enjoy. See you guys later.